Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to add multiple videos to a Zeely ad campaign, helping you create more engaging and versatile advertisements for your brand. First, log into your Zeely account and head to the dashboard. From there, go to the campaign section. You can either start a new campaign or select an existing campaign where you want to add multiple videos. This flexibility allows you to enhance ongoing campaigns without starting over. Once you're inside the campaign editor, look for the ad creation area. Here, you will find the option to upload videos. Click the Upload button and select all the videos you want to include in your campaign from your device. Zeely supports uploading multiple videos at once, making it easier to build a varied ad experience. After uploading, organize the videos in the sequence you prefer. Zeely lets you preview the video order and how the ads will appear to viewers. This helps ensure your message flows well and keeps your audience engaged throughout the ad. You can also customize each video's settings individually, such as captions, calls to action, or targeting specifics. This adds a level of personalization that can improve ad performance significantly. Finally, double-check your campaign settings like budget, duration, and audience targeting. When everything looks good, save your campaign. Your ads will now run with multiple videos, allowing you to test different content and attract a broader audience more effectively. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.